The Describing Methods section in a scientific report is dedicated to providing a detailed explanation of the methods employed in the study. This chapter outlines the procedures, techniques, and tools used to collect, analyze, and interpret data. It aims to provide sufficient information for the study to be replicated by other researchers and to ensure transparency and rigor in the research process. The Describing Methods section can be further divided into two parts: conventional methods and proportional methods. 1. Conventional methods. Conventional methods refer to well-established and widely used techniques or procedures that have been commonly employed in research within the field. These methods have been tested and proven to be reliable, and they provide a foundation for data collection and analysis. In this section, researchers should provide a detailed description of the conventional methods used, including data collection. Explain how data was collected, whether it involved surveys, interviews, observations, experiments, or other means. Describe the data collection instruments, such as questionnaires, interview protocols, or observation forms. Discuss the sampling strategy, sample size, and any inclusion or exclusion criteria used. Data analysis. Elaborate on the analytical techniques applied to the collected data. This may include statistical methods, content analysis, thematic analysis, or other relevant approaches. Describe any software or tools used for data analysis and provide clear explanations of the steps followed in the analysis process. Validity and reliability. Discuss measures taken to ensure the validity and reliability of the data. This may involve pilot testing of instruments, inter-rater reliability checks, or other strategies employed to enhance the accuracy and consistency of the data. 2. Proportional methods. Proportional methods refer to techniques that are specifically tailored to the research study or adapted from existing methods to suit the unique research objectives. These methods are designed to address the specific research questions and gather data in a manner that aligns with the study's goals. In this section, researchers should provide a detailed explanation of the proportional methods used, including rationale. Justify the use of proportional methods by explaining why they were selected to address the research questions or objectives. Discuss how these methods are tailored to the specific context or population under study and how they contribute to filling the research gap or addressing the research problem. Implementation. Describe how the proportional methods were implemented in the study. This may involve modifications to conventional methods or the development of new approaches. Provide step-by-step explanations of the procedures followed and highlight any modifications or adaptations made to suit the research objectives. Data analysis. Explain how the data collected through proportional methods were analyzed. Discuss the analytical techniques or frameworks used to interpret the data and derive meaningful insights. Highlight any unique considerations or challenges encountered during the analysis process. Overall, the Describing Methods section, including both conventional and proportional methods, should provide a comprehensive overview of the procedures and techniques employed in the research study. It should offer sufficient detail for other researchers to replicate the study and ensure transparency and rigor in the research process. By describing the methods in a clear and concise manner, researchers enhance the credibility and validity of their findings and contribute to the advancement of knowledge in their field. Copy and paste the following command and guidelines to generate the methodology section of the scientific report using ChatGPT. Guidelines. Filled circle cite the source that aided their choice of methods. Filled circle describe how they arrived with their inclusion and exclusion criteria. Filled circle explain the process of dividing the chosen group into subgroups and their characteristics. Filled circle include a description of any specific equipment they employed. Filled circle describe the study design. Filled circle mention the data type, measurement details, and statistical test procedure. Command. Write a methodology section on proposed method of research topic for scientific journal using the above guidelines with journal scientific terms.